Guru Tegh Bahadur Martyrdom Day is observed every year on 24th November. He is the ninth Guru in the sixth saint. He is also called Hind Ki Chadar or Sailed of India. He laid down his life for the rights of a community of people who were not even of his religion. He was in the year 1675 at the order of the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. He was martyred in Delhi at Chandni Chowk. Aurangzeb aimed to convert the Hindu population in India to Islam at the risk of execution if they rebelled against his dictate. Delegations of Kashmiri Pandit sought help from Guru Tegh Bahadur to prevent the conversions. Guru Tegh Bahadur proclaimed that if the emperor was successful in converting him to Islam, then the others would be ready to convert too. He was then arrested and presented in front of the emperor. Upon refusing to convert to Islam, he was imprisoned for 4 months following his refusal to perform a miracle to prove his closeness to God. Three of his followers were killed in front of him, still refusing to be converted. Guru Tegh Bahadur was ordered to be beheaded by the emperor. His beheading was carried out in front of the public in Chandni Chowk, which is a market square near the Red Fort in India. The execution was on 11th November 1675. Guru Tegh Bahadur was born on 1st April 1621 and died in 11 November 1675. He was ordained as a Guru of 16 April 1664. He was killed on the order of the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb because he resisted the forced conversion into Islam or non-Muslim and Kashmiri Pandit. The Gurdwara Sisganj Sahib mark his place of execution, which the Gurdwara Rakabganj Sahib mark his place of execution. He was beheaded in Chandni Chowk on the order of the Mughal Emperor. Every year on the martyrdom day of Guru Tegh Bahadur, Sikh place of worship reverberate with the sounds of chanting of the composition called Bachittar Natak, which recount his life and was recorded by his son Guru Gobind Singh. A number of Sikh temples have been built in honor of Guru Tegh Bahadur Singh Ji. The Gurdwara Sisganj in Chandni Chowk was constructed on the site of the executions. A discipline of his Tegh Bahadur burned down his house in order to mark space for the cremations of Guru's body, and on that spot rose another Gurdwara, the Gurdwara Rakab Ganj Sahib in Delhi. The Gurdwara Sisganj Sahib in Punjab was built on the site where the head of the Guru was brought all the way from Delhi in defiance of the Aurangzeb's orders and cremated. The executions of the Guru led to the fortifications of the Khalsa identity initiated by his son, who was at the time of 9 years old. Numerous hospitals, schools, universities, and institute of technology have been constructed and named in honor of the Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji.